Today, I'm going to show you how I take this boat and put it on that camper by myself. So here coming up in a couple months, I'm planning a solo cross-country road trip, and I'm not going to have anybody there to help me put my kayak on the camper. So I'm going to show you what it takes and what I need to do to unload my boat off the truck, put it on the camper, and vice versa. Fortunately, my boat is a 2019 and up Hobie Outback, which comes with this handy dandy little plastic block that all you do is just like that, and now you're ready to drag this thing off your boat, camper, trailer, whatever you want to do, and you won't damage your rudder. Now, some other boats have similar stuff to this, but these 2000 and up Outbacks, this is the most handy thing when you're doing stuff by yourself with your boat. Now, it is important to note that if you're going to attempt this, where you're putting your kayak on top of your camper or whatever by yourself, that you want your camper either hooked to your vehicle or scotched really well, because this camper is so light that I can roll it around just by pushing on it. And if I sit that kayak up there, it's going to take off. Alright, for this particular setup, what you want is the back of your boat lined up with your bunks on your roof rack, and the front of your boat 2 or 3 feet, or whatever you feel comfortable picking up on your boat, up past your camper or whatever you're loading it onto. So, let me get to it. I'm going to show you how I do it. Oh, pro tip. Take all your batteries and stuff out of the front of your boat, because it makes it a lot heavier. Set your front end up. Come to the back of your boat. And just like that, you have loaded your 80-pound kayak all by yourself. And I'm going to have to do that over and over and over on the road trip. And to get it down, you just repeat the process. Pull your boat down to where your bumper stops, leave a little bit on the front, pick it up and set it over. That's all there is to it. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to keep up with the road trip, hit the subscribe button.